Off. Normal. Transparency. Noise cancelling.
This is a recording from Q30. What do you think? Which one do you prefer in terms of mic quality? Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm talking at a normal volume. This recording is from Q20. I'm speaking at a normal volume. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Which one do you prefer, Q20 or Q30, in terms of mic quality? I will give my final thoughts at the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Some final thoughts. By this, the bug has been fixed. The cracking issue, as I mentioned multiple times in my previous Q20 review, and this will be probably my last Q20 mention on my review. By the way, these have arrived. The Sony flagship versus the Bose flagship active noise cancelling headphones. Bose 700, and this is 1000 MX XM4, to be reviewed later. Well, back to the Q30, Q20 thing. The mic, I think, is better on the Q20 for some reason. I would prefer the mic on Q20, yes. But this one also is far more superior in many ways, as it supports firmware update. So who knows, maybe one day Soundcore would release a firmware update that would fix the mic issue. I don't know if that's a software thing or a hardware thing. Also, the two device dual connection is much stabler on the Q30. This one does support two devices at the same time, as I mentioned many times in my previous review. However, it is not marketed by Soundcore for some reason, of course. I guess that would be a stability issue, but it is very stable on the Q30. The toggling between two devices is a bit longer than expected, around 6 seconds. I think I made that very clear in my first part of this review, Q30 series review. Well, they have basically identical active noise cancelling performance. So I guess the chip is pretty much the same in terms of ANC. However, this one has, Q30 has a much lower self-noise level. It's maybe not very noticeable in noisy environment, but it is good to have. You probably won't notice it without this machine here, as I already demoed. So yeah, I definitely prefer this. And I just did a disassemble of the Q20 here. As you can see, it's a very durable headphone. The build quality is amazing. So I suspect these two are the same. This, especially Q30. This is just a silver version of the black one. So the Q30 is a great value for its real retail price. Well, yeah. So it's not that much. The price isn't that much different. So well, definitely get the Q30 then. Yeah. All right. Thank you very much.